Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're dyeing my hair. We're gonna get into it. It's gonna be chaotic because my son is awake and he is a chaotic kid. I'm gonna get started by doing my little color block patch first. I have a lot of bleach damage, a lot of breakage. I am completely avoiding bleaching my hair for quite a while, but I do have enough grays where the purple actually holds fairly well. But here's what we're using. This Ion 20 developer from Sally's, and I got this from Sally's. This is Radiant Orchid. This is also from Sally's. I'm gonna start it by the most annoying part. I hate this part of dyeing my hair. It is parting my color block.
Hate this part. It's so annoying
because I can never get it right, and I wear glasses, so it's even harder because my glasses sit where like the part is. Anyways, I'm gonna do this and then I'll be right back. All right, time to bleach. I have my ugly bleach shirt on and my ugly bleach shirt on. Shit. Can I get words out? My ugly bleach shirt. I have a sinus infection, and this sinus infection, ever since I got COVID a couple years ago, anytime I get a sinus infection, I have really bad brain fog. There's just pressure in my face and bad brain fog. When I scramble my words, it's frustrating. So now I don't know what I'm doing. I usually just eyeball it. I put the color in and then just kind of like putting 1-to-1 ratio of the color and the developer, mix it up and slap it on. Not literally slap it on, but you know what I mean. Right now my son has a hyperfixation on listening to Baby Shark.
Yeah, I've been listening to Baby Shark all day, every day for the past like week.
Whenever I color my hair, I hit this spot specifically first because for some reason it's so hard for the color to take, pigment to take. I think it's just because it's in my widow's peak. But yeah, I usually hit that spot first. Also, this is not a tutorial. This is just me vlogging my hair transformation. God, that was a hard way to get out. Transformation, because I like seeing other people when they do their hair and their transformation, and so I figured I'd vlog it. Okay, once I'm done, I just get a bobby pin and just kind of like pin it all down so it doesn't move anywhere. All right, and then I'm rinse everything off and we're gonna do the black. All right, now time for the next color. This is black, but I've gotten this, it's a neutral violet black. I don't know, I just thought it was really cute, and with my purpley hair, I don't know if you could tell, but it's like an undertone of violet. I really like it, and it's 100% gray coverage for up to 8 weeks. It holds gray really well, so I just stick to it because it holds grays really well. And I'm out of focus. Hello. I'm just gonna focus on my roots. That's it, because I don't have enough to do my whole head, and I don't need to do my whole head. And for this, I'm doing the same thing, 1-to-1 ratio, just basically even parts, color, even part, developer. And again, I just focus on my roots because if you can see, your girl got grays. I got on my pants. Thank gosh I'm wearing black leggings. I'd be pissed right now. I only wear black leggings when I do my hair. But then again, I practically live in black leggings. Dude, I gained weight. I mean, not a lot, but my pants, it's just I gained weight to the point where my jeans, I haven't worn jeans in quite a while. And when I did wear them, because it was laundry day and all my leggings were dirty, I could not fit in them. I was like doing the whole lay down, struggling to put them on. And those were like my I gained weight jeans on top of that. So I got started working out on my Peloton again. If you have a Peloton, I'm gonna put in my friend username. So if you want to be my friend on Peloton, I'll put the name because I need some motivation. Okay, so speaking about weight gain, okay, so I was like, you know what, I need to get back to it. I'm gonna work out every day. And last night I was like, oh, I should work out twice. And then I thought about, I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna work out twice, because every time I get this motivation, I start working out like so much. I work out twice a day, walk, exercise, lifting weights, and just doing the most. And then I get burnt out, and I reminded myself, don't work out twice a day, you're gonna get burnt out. And that's what happened when I got my Peloton. I was so excited, so happy. I got it August of 21, and I was so excited. I was working out twice a day, just loving it, motivated, and I burnt out. I got burnt out, and that's what I don't want to do. I don't want to burn out. I want to be motivated, get healthy, get fit, because I have a high energy kid. I have high energy dog. She has all the energy in the world. My puppy, this is my ADHD ramble. So my puppy, she's a year now, like a year and maybe 6 months. This girl has energy at the most inconvenient time ever. She wants to bark at everybody and try to play when everybody's just waking up and groggy, or everybody's getting ready for bed. In the daytime, when everybody has all the energy in the house, like right now, midday, everybody's up, lively, this girl's asleep, snoring. And this girl, oh my god. And on top of that, I've been going on a lot of walks, especially because, again, high energy dog. I will take my dog and my son for an hour-long walk, okay? We will go walk for an hour. We get in the house, and the girl got the zoomies. How are you still going? I am tired. I don't understand. I've never met a Mastiff in my life with this much energy. Mastiffs are supposed to be lazy dogs, and you know, you take them on their little walks and they're fine. I have another Mastiff. That's how he is. Take him on his walk and he's fine. He's all tuckered out after the long walks. But this girl is the Energizer Bunny. Like, her and my son have the most highest energy ever. For like my son, it makes sense. Like, I would swear there's like a different breed in her. But if you look at her little face, like, oh, that's a Mastiff. That is a Mastiff. I can't see any other breed in that little girl. And she'll probably come over eventually and you'll see her. Just because she's nosy. I hear whining now. What's the matter, Clo Clo? This is supposed to be a hair video. I'm over here rambling about everything. Here she is. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Yeah, were you getting a nap in? If I keep looking at her, she's gonna think it's playtime. And I'm doing my hair. I'm gonna let this sit for an hour, and then I'll come back when it's time to cut my hair. My hair is shedding so bad. Oh, by the way, that's why I want to cut my hair, is because my hair is shedding. But I'll get into that when I cut my hair. So I'll see you guys later. Let me take this glove off so I can turn off my camera. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm showered. All right, washed my hair. We got a dramatic doggy behind me. My roots kind of like take the purple pretty well, and it may have stained my forehead. You good? My dog has a problem with tight walkways. She thinks she can't fit, so she always chaotically walks through tight spaces thinking she can't fit. On the new iPhone update, there's a way where it could show you feature photos. And in the feature photos, it shows like old pictures of me. And some of the old pictures, my hair is like right here. And oh my god, it just looks so good. It looks so full and healthy. And my hair is shedding so much. I did set up a doctor's appointment the end of the month to talk to her about it, get some blood work done more than likely, and try to figure out why my hair is shedding so much, because it is getting thin. Can you see that? It's never been this thin. I do have thin hair, but it's getting thin, like scary thin. I'm going to start by, I guess, just cutting the lane. Now on this side, I went too heavy-handed with the like A-line layers, so it's already pretty choppy right here, and when it's dry you can see it a lot where it's just heavy layer right here. I'm gonna start right here. Cut off a lot. That's a lot. And then what I'm doing is just kind of like gathering the hair and evening it out and just chopping it just to make it a bit even. Sorry, I know it's kind of dark in the background, but just kind of like chopping it as a guide, and then we'll move on to layers.
A few inches later.
I feel like this is good enough. I'm a bit over it right now. All right, I'm gonna take this top half and I'm gonna pin this up real quick, and then I'm gonna add some little bit of layers to this bottom portion just because I don't want it to be, I don't want any of my hair to be too heavy anywhere. So I'm just gonna run it through.
No, God, please, no, 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 no!
I don't know how successful I am at adding layers, but
I tried.
I'm gonna split my hair and then add like a little middle section. I think I want to do right here. Okay, that's a lot of hair, but we're doing it. I'm committing. So this is gonna be my guide when I cut my hair, and just to see where it sits, the back of my head. From there, gather hair and match the guide. So all I do when I cut my hair is I just use a guide, and then I just really just gather more hair and match the guide as I'm cutting. So there's my guide, if you can see, with my dark door. I tried to change my shirt so you could see what I'm doing. So I haven't been saying much because I'm like starting to think like, oh, was this a bad idea? I don't know, but I'm just gonna keep going for it. I'm gonna keep, you know, grabbing a little bit of piece of hair at a time, match my guide, and chop. Hopefully, like, I've been cutting my own hair for years. I don't know. It's either gonna be so bad and choppy or so subtle where it's just like, what the hell do you even do? Which usually what happens when I cut my hair, it's either like I go in the mindset
Like, it's gonna be so different and so cute.
and then I look at it, I'm like,
What the hell would I even do?
now I gotta do this side, and I'm already over it doing my hair because my son is in a bad mood right now. I'm over it. Don't want to cut my hair anymore. So now that the layers are done, I'm gonna do my little front framing pieces. And this part, I never know what I'm doing. I get so insecure about this part because I don't know what I'm doing. All right, so I divided my hair. I split my hair, or part of my hair, not split, part of my hair. I see, they're toys. What is it, sharks? Where are your sharks? Yeah, it's my hair. So this side's gonna be a bit harder only because I have a lot of breakage around my face framing pieces. So when I part it, it's just all the bleached end. So when I frame my face, this is all that it is, just this. I'm gonna try my best. I don't know what I'm gonna do, to be honest. It's like so damaged and so much breakage. I'm just gonna try my best. That's the best I can get because I really want to try to cut off as much damage as I can, but I don't want it to be hideous. So I've been thinking about doing bangs forever, and I don't know if I'm gonna regret this or if it's gonna be cute. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I really want to do just like a little bit at a time. I'm envisioning like cute wispy bangs, and I don't have a lot of hair to be cutting a lot of bangs. Here's my trick that I do with my bangs, and I do this with like my face framing pieces as well. I drag it down and then I twist it, and I don't let it move. And I just cut. Let's do a little bit more. This is about even, I think. Even enough, because I'm kind of over it. I'm over cutting my hair right now. But I committed and I'm doing it. Alright, and then I'm just going to follow the guide. Twist, turn. And then... Okay. And then what I'm going to do is, because I have the bangs, I'm just going to like match the layers. I'm gonna re-wet my hair and dry my bangs, curl it. I'll be right back. All right, so as I'm sitting here prepping to style my bangs, I realized that it's just a little bit too long because I want to cut it like right here. So I need to cut off a little bit more, about right here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dry my bangs first. Too much bang. Did I cut too much bang? I don't think I liked how much bang I did. Okay, hold on. I feel like it's too long. I feel like it's still too long, so I'm gonna trim a little bit more. Okay, so what do we think? I think I kind of hate it. I don't know. You know why? Because I keep just looking at this spot right here, thin hair, and it's just making me so insecure. Where's my other glasses? Let me try my other glasses and see how I feel. Maybe it's too long. Okay. It's definitely too long because it's like hitting me right in my eyes. All right, more chops. I'm getting a hot roller and curl it to see what it does. It was hot on my forehead.
Bruh.
Oh, I fucked up. I'm having a fucking panic attack right now. I need to calm the fuck down because I'm having a panic attack.
Okay, I definitely cut too much. I don't know. I think I hate it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of like look at it. I don't know. I'm gonna let it sit overnight. Put on some makeup, do my hair tomorrow, only because it's raining right now, so there's no point of doing my hair and makeup and go in the rain and be a disaster. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get used to it overnight, see how I feel, and then I think I hate it, but tomorrow I'm gonna do my makeup, style my hair, and see how I feel about it. But looking in the mirror, I don't know, I feel like a kid. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's a few days later, and I honestly, it took me a few days because I hate the bangs. I styled it as bangs today just to show you, but for the past few days I actually just been pinning my hair back because I hate the bangs. And I think what I'm gonna do is, as they grow, either pin my hair back or do the little side swoop little bang thing because I hate it. And the next day I realized I cut my hair way too short. I really wanted my hair to sit like about right here. So hate the bangs, cut my hair way too short. Yeah, I don't like it. I feel like it just doesn't really fit my head shape too well, and especially having glasses, it just sits really weird and it's really annoying. So I've just been doing like a little side swoop bang thing. Yeah, I tried to do a new year, new cut, but I hate it. But it's okay. I mean, it's hair. Hair will grow, and as it grows, I'll be able to cut it into a style that I like, which will probably take about 6 months, but that's okay. Wanted to give you the update, let you know how I feel after I sat with it for a few days, and the few days I sat with it, I didn't like it. Oh, there is one hairstyle that I do like, and I'll show you. The one hairstyle that I do like with the bangs is actually when I get a little claw clip and put it half back. That looks good with the bangs. Other than that, I hate all of it. Anyways, let me know what you think. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna let this grow out, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.